Xtronic is a light and a simple application through which a teacher can create a quiz and a student can join the quiz. In short, using Xtronic, you can create a MCQ quiz. But what makes Xtronic different from the tons of other apps available in the market? Well, as much I have used Xtronic, it is as simple as a 5-year-old kid can use it easily. Like, if you want to create a quiz, just log in if you aren't, and then click on create quiz button. Fill your basic information like your name, quiz topic, quiz duration. You can even make a question based timer by checking the box below and then click next. And now fill the information you want to ask from the students like phone number or roll number. I find this most useful as it gives creator access to ask specific things from the students. Now on next screen, just type your question and click add question to add more question. And fill out next question, and once you are done, just click submit and quiz is created. Share it on any platform, just copy the quiz code. Now to join the quiz, students have to click join button on the home screen and paste or write the code teacher shared with them. On the next screen, fill the required details like roll number is asked, fill your roll number and start the quiz. And remember, once the quiz starts, you shouldn't leave the quiz or it will be closed in 10 seconds and you won't be able to give the quiz again. You should not try to cheat. And once you are done, you can go to result section and view the quiz result for both quiz created and quiz joined. And that's all for this app. Simple and easy. This is all about this app. If you liked it, you can get the Playstore link in the description below.